Press search button. Enter HON66-6. Press search button. Choose silica. Choose HON66 982 6-6. Press OK. Check if the original key can work well. Press menu button. Press info button to know the basic information. This key is guided by tip. Press close. Press decode to enter the decoding page. Fix the original key on car key clamp. Click the image of 3 terminal positioning, and press round off. Please note the key should be fixed level. Press decode, and click the picture of clean the groove from chips to start decoding. Decoding. Take away the original key. Fix HON66 key blank on car key clamp. Please note the key blank should be fixed level. Click cut button to enter cutting page. Press speed button and choose normal resolution button. Click the image of 3 terminal positioning. Press cut button to start cutting. Please remember to close the safe gate. In cutting, cutting is done. Open the safe gate. Clean the clamp the new key. Take out the new key. Change the other side of the key blank on the car key clamp for cutting. Press cut button to start cutting. Please remember to close the safe gate. Cutting. Cutting is done. Open the safe gate. Clean the clamp, the new key. Take out the new key. Now, you can have a try if the new key works or not.